Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Ken coming in from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true phoenix. Well, I've started her up. Rodan is started up. And I'm getting ready to do the transmission. But I don't recall seeing a hole for my automatic transmission when I had it here, when it was a shift a long time ago. So I'm getting ready to either look for that hole to see if I can find it, or I'm going to drill me another hole. More than likely it's not there. I probably covered it up. But I'm going to drill me a hole somewhere down in there. I went to the junkyard and got me a cable. Something a little bit like similar to a Firebird or a Camaro that had one of those transmissions in it. And I bought one of these clip things that go in here. In fact, hold on. Yeah, I got me one of these things here to go inside of there, because this one broke out some kind of way. And I'm not sure which one would be the best one, but I'm sure one of them is going to work. Link in description below. Of course, there's a lot of people on YouTube that will tell you how to do this, but I'm not telling you how to do anything. That's the part number, 14057. Got it off of Amazon, because another YouTuber told me where to get it. Anyway, then that's supposed to go inside of there like that. But before I do that, I guess I should go ahead on and do it. It'd be easier to do that first than to drill that hole, because if I have to drill that hole, that's gonna take some. Today is what, November 10th, 2024, and I might not feel like fooling with that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead on and hook this thing up, get it done, and take this off, because I believe this bracket has to come off, and I have another bracket that I got from the junkyard. This bracket was on the truck engine, so, but this part here wasn't on that other part, so I had to get that. I wonder if I can sell that. Anyway, yeah. So I got to put this bracket on that other one, if it fits the transmission. So, yeah, I was proud of her today, man. She ran good. She ran really good today. Y'all go back and see the video. Even the transmission. Not inside the transmission, total transmission. I ain't tear it up, but I had a couple of bouts with it. I got the transmission videos on this site somewhere out there. But okay, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for stopping by. This is mainly, when I do these videos, I do them for the family, mainly, because they'll probably be the ones that are interested in this. Unless you have some of you guys who are inspired to do such things. No telling how far in the future this video is going to reach. But whoever gets this car, you'll see what I did. And of course I rigged it together, but I'm in a transition right now, and I need to go and get this car out of here. So you guys take it easy. It's been years, man. Whew. Let me see, 2002? No, like 1989, 1990. I don't know when, shoot. 1990, I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure that out some other time. Y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later.